So here's my really cool piece of driftwood that I did actually find on the beach, and I figured it's so perfect to make a little Frankenstein head. So we're going to get started. So I just used 2 coats of plain acrylic white paint, let that dry, and I used my paint Sharpie, it's paint, to outline his hairline. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill it in with also just acrylic black paint. It's really kind of easy to have that outline there already set up. Looks pretty good. Gonna make sure I fill in all those little, it's so hard with driftwood because it's not just a flat piece. So filled in his hair, and now I am going on to the rest of it, which is green for his face. Just plain green. You can play around with the colors and the shades. Okay, so I'm going to use a toothpick to kind of just like paint in his little scar that he has on his forehead, that little stitch. And the toothpick is just so precise. It just helps me to, just not make too many mistakes. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to use my little paintbrush, a fine one, and just start to make his eyes just a straight line. And you have to be, when you're working on driftwood, it's so imperfect. Look at these little divots. It is hard, but I do my best just to try to make as straight a line as possible. So that's going to be like kind of like his furrowed brow. Okay, make it nice and dark. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like his actual eyeball. Not an artist here, people. Okay, very, very simple design. So, okay. I'm going to take my trusty toothpick again. If you have more skill than I do, by all means, do your own eyeball, use a paintbrush. But just so that it makes it a little bit more easier for me, I'm going to create just kind of like a half circle. Okay, now I'm doing his mouth. I'm just doing a straight line across, maybe give it a little stitchy look on either end of his mouth. And I am going to fill in the whites of his eyes. Now, before I do anything else, my husband is actually helping me. He's just going to use his drill. It's a small drill bit, standard, and it depends on how big your screws are. So I know nothing about drilling, so I am just using 2 small screws, so needs 2 small holes, and I'm doing it right by his mouth on either end. And then we are screwing it in. Not all the way. You want it to be like halfway out so you can see them. And then we're doing the other side. Nothing too complicated here. Okay. So, and he just looks so cute. So I'm going to do his eyeballs last. So there's his little screws, the eyeballs, and then just fill them in. Not the eyeballs, but the actual little iris. And there he is. That's it. He is so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.